Hi guys, today we're going to do an unboxing and first impression of the SJK Roadhouse Tarp. I bought it to go on the back of Casper here, and you'll see us setting it up for the first time, so this may be interesting. All right, let's get this thing open. Figure out how it opens. There we go. And I opted for the camouflage one. Interesting camouflage.
Cryptech. I have a hat with the same pattern.
By the way, I brought Ethan with me today to help me do this video. Okay, all this is smarter than us.
Yeah.
Okay. Poles. Here's your poles.
And this is your guidelines and stakes.
Guidelines and stakes.
And something else.
Okay. That's some decent poles with that thing. I like that.
So 550 cord guidelines looks like.
550 cord guideline. May not be real 550 cord, but
at least it's not nylon.
Yeah. Oh wow, that thing gets tall.
You have 8 guidelines with it. And 10 heavy duty stakes.
Oh, yeah, they are. I was figuring on replacing those, but I don't think we need to.
No.
All right, there's the poles, there's the guidelines, the stakes. Now,
you want to show them where it shows the different ways that you can set this up? Right there on the box?
Yeah.
You got your single pole A-frame set up. You got your dual pole A-frame without the vehicle, and then your dual pole awning with vehicle. So you can have it set up however you want to. If you don't want it on the vehicle, just set it up like a canopy over your tables or supplies or whatever.
Now, it's pictured on a JK, but the little YJ here doesn't have quite a long a rear end as a JK, so, and plus I only have a soft top on this thing, so what I'm going to try to do is hook the other end to the front tires. That way, if we are in the rain, it will cover the doors and all. That way, rain doesn't get in there. All right, let me. Oh, and there's a trailer hitch. All right, let me readjust this camera and we'll get it put up.
So we need to move these.
Yep. All right. Let's get this thing spread out here.
It does have buckles and metal grommets.
Okay, these, yeah, this end's got to go to the deep. That end will go that way.
Okay.
So,
Thing's pretty large.
Yeah.
I forgot I'd done that to hold it from the closing line.
All right, let's drop that in. Come get this. No, it doesn't. Let's see. Just leave it like that right this minute. Ooh.
Out.
Pick it up and pull it out. See how much room it gives us. Not a lot, does it?
No, it's not gonna be able to go. No, you only got about 5-6 feet.
Okay.
So
we're going. Just pull it.
where do you want it?
Let's hook it to the mirrors.
You got to pull it your way some, because
Oh,
I mean,
holy crap!
it's not gonna hook through the mirrors. But we can tuck
What
it.
is this?
Look, these straps are adjustable,
Yeah.
so we can still hook it to the front tire, tuck it behind the mirror.
I think mine's. Well, that's not working for me. Ooh.
Let me see. See, it still covers.
Okay.
So.
And this is one configuration. We don't know if we're going.
How are you want to do it? You want to do post on the corners, or you want to do it right frame in the middle?
Right there.
Prominent.
Yeah. Have a good guideline.
Maybe we'll lower the poles a little so it's not angled up.
Like that. And then we can guideline the corners. All right. Get a guideline. Get a guideline. There's
Okay, great. Alright, now. Now we grab the biggest one. Not sure how you would hook this into that.
It'll run. It'll get through. We'll loop it through itself and then we'll tighten it from that end.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think I grabbed the longest one there was.
This one actually maybe over the road of that tree.
No, it's not.
Holy cow. Yeah.
Okay.
This one actually probably bring it all the way back up to itself.
do it tight yet. Just get it in the ground. Got it. Yep. Ow. The two longer ones are corners. The shorter ones are the sides.
It's not centered.
That's not a problem.
But
okay. We got the 2 poles and only 2 guidelines out on it right now. And it's not quite centered over the top of the Jeep, but it's close. I guess the only drawback that I see is how it sags. And I will, let me go show you. There is a way to remedy that, but since we put it on the front, covering the front of the Jeep, these would actually go to your roll bar on your under the top. I tightened up some. But yeah, that's how it's supposed to work. But you know, the YJ being a lot shorter.
I'll go away if you could get strings.
Well, yeah.
One there to help tighten it down.
That would also work. The
pull it to the hood mounts.
The hood loops. You could
and that takes a lot
get some string, and that would pull the sag out of it. That's an excellent idea. Yeah, use your hood loops if you're using this on a YJ. There's the pond that we're doing this at.
I'm 6'4", and it gives plenty of room to walk on.
Yep. And the poles aren't straight up.
Nope.
And the sag's gone, ain't it?
Yep. The wind's kind of helping it, but tightening that took a lot of the natural sag out of it.
Okay.
Not bad.
And you could, well, you know, like this is to get out of the rain if you're tent camping, but you don't want to get in the tent, get out of the rain. Or I haven't built it yet, but if you got a tailgate table and you're cooking right here, now this tarp is not fireproof. Waterproof, but not fireproof. But yeah, this would give you, I like it.
Or, you know, if you're just having a day at the lake with the family.
Oh, yeah.
You want to have a picnic, but not be in the sun the whole time.
That's
you wouldn't
absolutely.
even have to take it all the way to the front. You'd put it where it needs to be, so you'd actually have more coverage. And
yeah. And this is our local swimming hole. So, you know, if we spent the day here, it would be, yeah, this would definitely work.
the canopy would definitely get used.
Yes, this canopy, this tarp will definitely get some use. But that's the quickest I've ever put a tarp up. Even my ultralight tarps that I use camping aren't this easy. Nothing to it. I'm impressed. All right, guys, this is the setup. Right now we got what, probably a 10-mile-an-hour wind on this hill.
Yeah, about 10 to 12.
10 to 12 mile an hour, and we just got 2 guidelines on it. And like I said, there's 8 with it, so you can tie this thing down pretty solid. But if you enjoyed this video, give us a like. Do all the other YouTube stuff. I'm not gonna say it. I know I get tired of seeing it on videos, and so. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Have a good day.